Is putting 20% down really the best option when you're buying a home? Hey guys, my name is John Lahey. I am the team leader of the Fund Living Group. We are a real estate team here in Washington, D.C., Maryland, and Virginia. And on this video today, I'm going to cover with you if putting 20% down when you're buying a home is within your budget, 3 reasons why you may want to consider doing that. But if it's not within your budget, you want to stay tuned all the way to the end. I'm going to cover with you some other options that you have out there to make sure that you don't miss out on the best home at the best price. So stay tuned. Hey guys, before I get started, if you want a free consultation with me, I included my Calendly link right below on the description. You can always just click on that link and schedule a time if you want to talk to me and figure out, is this the right time to buy? The strategy on how to find the best home for you, the best price with the least amount of hassle, let me know. More than happy to do that with you. Also, you can always comment below and any questions you have. If you have any topics you want me to cover on my next video, you can always do that. And don't forget, like this video and also subscribe so that you will be notified of my future videos so you don't miss out on those future videos. So reason number 1 why it's important, why you may want to consider putting 20% down. Number 1, your interest rate may be lower. All right. So in the eye of your lender, if you're a mortgage person, all right, your loan officer, if you're able to put 20% down on your mortgage, they look at your situation, your financial situation, as somebody who's not high risk or somebody who's stable financially. And when they're working with somebody who's stable financially, all right, what that means is you get the best possible rate and term on your mortgage. Okay, so it's not only your credit score that they're looking at, they're also looking at how much are you able to put down. Now, if you're putting less than 20% down, that's not a big deal. I mean, you're still able to get a mortgage. You can get a mortgage with 0% down in today's market. You can put 0% down. You can put 3% down, 3.5%, 5%, 10. There are so many different options out there, and you can always comment below or contact me, and we'll connect you with the best lenders. But not only if you can put 20% down, the other thing that's important is you don't have to pay mortgage insurance, or what we call PMI. All right, so the PMI portion, if you're putting less than 20% down, you do have to pay PMI in a lot of cases. All right, and that could be $100, it could be a couple $100, depending on how much you're buying or how much you're borrowing. Now, if you put 20% down, that's the point where the mortgage company don't have to charge you PMI anymore. So that's something that you may want to consider if you can't afford it. That's number 1. Number 2, the second reason why you may want to consider putting 20% down is that in the long-term picture, in the big picture, you'll be paying less over time for your home. All right, you'll be paying much less over time for your home because your interest rate's going to be lower. All right, so the amount of interest accrued over time will be lower, whether it's over a 15-year note or a 30-year note. The amount of interest you'll be paying over time will be much less if you're putting 20% down. Number 3, the third reason why you may want to consider, if it's within your budget, putting 20% down is that in a competitive market, which we are in right now, all right, homeowners, when they see offers come in and one offer's coming in and they're putting 3% down or 3.5% down, another one's putting 5% down, the other one's putting 20% down, they will look at the 20% down as a buyer that's less likely to back out because they're financially more stable. Okay, and that's just perception. Now, is perception reality? Not always, but we can't control what the seller perceive the seriousness and the stability of that offer is compared to somebody who's offering much less. So you are, in some cases, in a lot of cases, when you're putting more down payment, 20% or even more, in the eyes of the seller, the homeowner who's looking at multiple offers and trying to figure out which offer is the less risky an offer with a higher down payment, in most cases, will be looked at more favorably. Now, what if? Now, here's the what if, right? What if you're saying, John, but I don't have 20% down? Does that mean I have to wait and just save up more money? Or should I consider looking at houses now? The answer is it depends. It depends because it all depends on what your credit score is. It also depends on what your budget is. And really, ultimately, the best answer I can give you is talk to me and my team. We can help you figure out if now is the right time to buy or should you save up more money. Today, rates are still really low. But in 2022, rates are predicted to go up. In fact, it should go up. It will be in the mid threes by middle of 2022. It will be higher than that by the end of 2022. How much more money will you be able to save by buying today when rates are lower versus in 6 months or 7 months when you have more down payment but rates are higher? The answer is I don't know. You need to talk to us because we need to look at your full scenario. We have to look at the big picture, and then we can give you the right advice. So again, if you want to talk to our team, just click on the link below on my Calendly, schedule a time, or you can comment below, or don't forget, I also put my phone number down there. Just text me, and we'll set up a time. We'll schedule a time to sit down with you and figure out, is 20% down within your budget, and if it's not, should you buy now? Should you save up more money? And we'll make sure we'll give you the best advice. It's not for us. It's not about just selling the home. We want to make sure we do it the right way so that you guys are happy. All right, guys. I hope this has been helpful. And again, don't forget to like my video and also subscribe below so that you'll be notified of any future videos that we'll be releasing. Thank you.